If Claude is giving you a fault filter abort message, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you a few simple troubleshooting steps to get back on track fast. We'll look at how to clean up your prompt, check your connection, and restart your session the right way. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick AI and software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about your prompt. One of the most common reasons Claude may stop responding or trigger an abort is because the prompt contains content that is too large, too sensitive, or too cluttered for the system to process smoothly. If you pasted a huge block of code, long license text, or a lot of flagged context, try removing those parts and simplifying the request. Keep your prompt focused, clear, and short. Instead of sending everything at once, break your task into smaller pieces and test again. This often helps the model process the request without hitting a filter or safety limit. Next, check your internet connection and the service status. Sometimes the issue is not your prompt at all. A weak connection, unstable Wi-Fi, or temporary overload on the API side can cause requests to fail or abort unexpectedly. If you're using Claude through a web app or API tool, refresh the page, switch networks if needed, or wait a few minutes and try again. If the servers are busy, a short pause can make a big difference. It's also a good idea to confirm whether the issue happens in one browser, one device, or one specific project, because that can help narrow down the cause. Now let's move on to restarting your session. If you're working in a local tool, editor, or CLI environment, a crash or memory issue may be the real reason for the abort. In that case, restart the tool completely and begin a fresh session. If your workflow supports it, use the resume command so you can reconnect to the previous state instead of starting from scratch. This is especially useful when the local environment has glitched or the process has timed out. A clean restart often clears temporary errors and gives you a stable place to continue. If the problem keeps happening, try combining all three fixes. First, simplify the prompt. Second, verify the connection. Third, restart the session. In many cases, one of these steps solves the issue right away. And if you're troubleshooting an API workflow, keep an eye on request size, repeated retries, and any memory-heavy operations that might be pushing the environment too hard. Small adjustments can prevent repeated aborts and make your workflow much more reliable. That's the quick fix for a Claude fault filter abort. Clean up the prompt, check your network, and restart the session if needed. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.